welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. And today I wanted to show you my favorite homemade version of taco seasoning. Sometimes I forget to buy some at the store, and so I do need to make it at home. Or actually, this is actually a little bit healthier. I can control the amount of sodium I put in it and just kind of make it my own. So as you look at all of these ingredients, take out what you don't like, maybe add a little more of something, but I encourage you to experiment. This is just a base. So I am simply adding some chili powder, paprika, which I love paprika for so many things, cumin. I have garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, and a little cayenne. So all of these, again, just do it to taste. And I love having these jelly jars, especially for my seasonings. I can just write on the top what they are, or if I get fancy and put some sort of label on it. But we are all set to go. And in the description, I have a yummy recipe that I use with my shredded chicken and taco seasoning. So please check that out. And thanks so much for tuning in and being a part of my craziness, watching it, supporting it. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.